God bless you, my dear students. Today I am going to start worksheet 5. First question is, find the unknown quantity in each of the following. Here it is principal, rate of interest per annum, time period, simple interest, amount. In the first question, principal is not given, rate of interest is 12% per annum, time is 2.5 years, simple interest rupees 1200, amount is not given. So you have to find principal and amount. I hope you remember the formulas related to simple interest. So look here how we do it. Principal unknown, rate of interest 12% per annum, time period 2.5 years, 2 2 ja 4 plus 1 5 by 2 years, simple interest rupees 1200, amount not given, you have to find. Let's do it. We have a formula P equal SI into 100 by R into T. ये फॉर्मूला हमने कैसे निकाला है देख लो. SI इक्वल P इंटू R इंटू टी बाई 100. P को यहीं छोड़ दो, 100 इधर चलाएगा और ये दोनों R एंड T ये नीचे चलाएगा. तो P को अगर यहाँ लिखते हो तो SI इंटू 100 एंड एट द प्लेस ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर R इंटू टी. यही फॉर्मूला मैंने यहाँ लिखा है. P equal SI into 100 by R into T. Now put the values whatever given. SI is given 1200 right here. It is 100 right here. R is given 12% right here. Now time is 5 by 2. So right here 5 by 2. You can cancel here 2 1 ja 2 6 ja. Or you can take this 2 at the place of numerator. डिवीजन एंड अगेन डिवीजन. पहले डिवाइड रहे फिर डिवाइड रहे तो मल्टीप्लाई बन जाता है, उल्टा का उल्टा सीधा हो जाता है. सो यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस 1200 इंटू 100 बाई 12. ये 5 पे ही रखोगे, 2 नीचे से चला जाएगा ऊपर. नाउ यहाँ कैंसिल कर सकते हो, मैंने यहाँ दिखाने के लिए कैंसिल किया था, अभी यहाँ कैंसिल कर रहे. 12 1 जा 00, 5 1 जा 5 2 ja and 0. Now 2 2 ja 4, 1 2 3 0, 4000. प्रिंसिपल मिल गया कितना 4000. Now you have to find amount. अमाउंट का मतलब मैंने बताया था इसके पहले वाले वीडियो में, प्रिंसिपल प्लस इंटरेस्ट. 4000 प्लस 1200, 4000 and 1000, 5200. In the next question, principal is not given. Rate is 3.5% per annum. Time equals 2 years. SI is not given. You have to find. Amount is given rupees 535. Remember, principal and SI both are not given, but amount is given. So right here, amount equals rupees 535 and put the formula of amount. Amount equals what? Principal plus SI. Right here P. SI का फॉर्मूला P इंटू R इंटू टी बाई 100. नाउ P is not given, R is given 3.5, T is given 2. Put it. Now if you remove decimal, you have to write 10 at the place of denominator. Now cancel it. 2 1 ja 2 5 ja, 5 1 ja 5 7 ja. That means 7P by 100. P plus 7P by 100. These two are rational numbers. So if you want to add them, take LCM. LCM will be 100. That means this one should be 100. 100 से multiply करो numerator and denominator को. You can do it to make denominators equal. It will be 100P by 100. Now both denominators are same, so numerator can be added. 100p plus 7p, 107p by 100. Right here p, take 107 and 100 to the right side. 100 at the place of numerator and 107 at the place of denominator. Now cancel it. 107 1 जा, इसको 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, you will get 535. Now 5 into 100, 500. You got here P equal 500 rupees. You have to find SI. SI equal amount minus principal. So write here 535 minus rupees 500. It is rupees 35. Thus you got principal equal rupees 500 and simple interest is rupees 35. Next question. Principal is not given. Rate is given 4% per annum. Time is 3 years. SI is given rupees 120. Amount is not given. SI is equal to rupees 120. Put the formula first and after that put the value whatever are given. P is not given. R is given 4. T is given 3 and it is 100. Now P equals rupees 120 into 100 and by 4 into 3. ये नीचे आ जाएगा और ये ऊपर. कैंसिल करो. 3 4 जा 12 होता है. इस दोनों को कैंसिल करके 12 1 जा कर सकते हो. Now it is 1000. You got here P equal rupees 1000. Again amount equal what? Amount equal principal plus interest. So 1000 plus it is given. We have find here principal 1000, SI is given 120. So it is 1120. Next question. P is given rupees 450. R is not given. Time is given 3 whole 1 by 2. You can write like this. 2 3 are 6 plus 1 7 by 2 years. SI is given rupees 189. Amount is not given. SI equal rupees 189. Put the formula P into R into T by 100 and again put the value of P and T. Look here. P is given rupees 450. R is not given. T is given 7 by 2 or you can write it 3.5. I have written here 3.5 and it is 100 rupees 189. If you remove decimal, you will have to write 10. Now cancel. 1010 from 5. 5 7 ja 35. 5 2 ja and 5 0 ja. Again 5 5 4 ja and 5 9 ja. 9 7 ja 63. 63 by 4. Or you can write like this 9 into R into 7. You can solve yourself. I have written here. Now it is 189. I am writing here 1 time 4. R is here 7 and 9 at the place of denominator and 4 is at the place of numerator. Now cancel it. 9 1 ja, 9 2 ja 18, 9 1 ja 9, 7 3 ja and 3 4 जा 12. 12% पर एनम. यहाँ कैंसिल जैसे भी कर सकते हो, तुम्हारी मर्जी. इट कैन बी डन इन मेनी वेज. नाउ अमाउंट इक्वल्स प्रिंसिपल प्लस इंटरेस्ट. प्रिंसिपल इज 450. अमाउंट इंटरेस्ट इज रुपीज 189. सो एड देम. 9 8 plus 5 13. Carry 1 1 1 2 and 4 6. 639. Next question. Principal is given rupees 850. Rate is 6% per annum. Time is not given. SI is rupees 178.50. Rupees 178 and 50 paise. Amount is not given. First write the formula of T. Formula can be used in different ways. I am writing here T is equal to SI into 100 by P into R. SI is given 100. P is given 850 and R is also given 6. So write here 6. Now point को remove करो. Denominator place पे 100 लिखना होगा. Now cancel. 100 and 100 cancelled. 0 cancel. Now it is 1785 by 85 into 6. After that you have to cancel it. Cancel कैसे करेंगे देख लो इसको. 17 5 जा 85 होता है. 17 1 जा 17, 17 0 जा एंड 17 5 जा। 5 से डिवाइड करो, 5 1 जा, 5 2 जा, 5 1 जा, 3 से 3 2 जा, 3 7 जा। It is 7/3. That means 3 whole 1/2, or you can say 3.5 years. Now amount, principal plus interest, 850 plus 178.50, write like this. 850 रुपीज़ है, पैसे नहीं है, जीरो लिख दो, ऐड करो, it will be 1028 rupees and 50 पैसे, right here. Next question, P is given 5400, R is not given, T is given 3 years, SI is not given, amount is given. First find SI. अमाउंट दिया है, प्रिंसिपल दिया है, अमाउंट से प्रिंसिपल को माइनस करोगे, इंटरेस्ट निकल जाएगा। 6210 माइनस 5400, इट इज 810. You got SI. Now you have to find rate. Rate equal SI into 100 by P into T. Put the value. SI 810, it is 100, P is 5400 and time is 3 years. Right here 3. कैंसिल करना है, कैंसिल इट, 1 0 यहाँ से कैंसिल करो, 1 0 यहाँ से कैंसिल करो। नाउ 3 से 3 1 जा, 3 2 जा 6 एंड 3 7 जा। नाउ 27 1 जा, 27 2 जा एंड 2 1 जा, 2 5 जा। It is 5% per annum. Okay my dear students, I hope you got it. So like this video and subscribe my channel. Class 7, I am focusing much more than other classes. सबसे ज़्यादा ध्यान मैं 7 पर ही दे रहा हूँ, तो 7 के बच्चे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब कर लें, उनको ज़्यादा बेनिफिट होगा। और कमेंट करें ताकि मुझे पता चल सके कि मैं जो पढ़ा रहा हूँ वो गुड है, बेटर है या बेस्ट है, या मुझे और कुछ करने की ज़रूरत है। तो कमेंट ज़रूर करें। और जिन लोगों ने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, डू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। थैंक यू।